And yes, see the situation. No.
And yes,
Oman obi obeba be gina ho be catch yourself and wo be hunu problem aye woman tia e ma ne ma Fl00d no e ma ye enso e fire no say the pana catch us on cano cre because we have been in this situation for the past 20 years. 2015 e be ye west ye lose the 159 e wo man yi mu ye te ho committee ni ye na dwuma de ho man ye beto abonten in July 2015 of August 2015 of that year na etiansa na ye beti committee report no recommendation bi o mo de ba ye plastic ye waste ye ntumi nkra ne ye ni hye ye de manage no it was one o man just 2024 ye man pani eno so yiri ya ma ye hwe nipa baako o man pani ma ye tiase se ye wo engineering challenge as a country. A major challenger where and the promise is say or best fix this engineering challenge cause say Ghana for benya water from Fl00ding. Man yemi say that engineering challenge na mampani identify in 2024 before coming to power no how far with it. Omampani maya aware say the sanitation ministry in the Juma was oboa na ahunide hu sem we peye na sa plastic 70 ball asem nyina no yetimi control no man was oboa be sub ministry the kwese local government ase ama local government ahye ye ball aso ma yen ye bisa say local government in all this no where are they? Yera Med Ibrahim say ye sanitation ministry said the mampani kan because as now no ye ni sanitation ministry. It is a yidi akwose local government minister say the mampani kan ye no a adwuma na kwose saying how far with your waste management no akwose saying o man I was so surprised say enu so yiri fa yen na me hu Greater Accra regional minister a wona mu nso mu na ye kita ne nsa a wona mu nso nti o man no kwan
se o hwe
de
tibia
o munya wedada. I was so surprised to see your man penny sort of helicopter mu assessing the flooding situation. Oh man, are they not aware of your situation?
They are.
Oh man, are they not aware? It's your man penny person say and no tina helicopter mu kofa wie mu no and wo say Ghana your engineering challenge na. It's also resolve it. The mandate to the task force I would say one more say one more ensure the flooding challenge no and so you find no problem near there they should identify the problem no more famra. The committee or say na Yera Standogbe, Yera Kennedy, Works and Housing Ministry, the minister he was part. Yema me Marietta Bill appear upon she was part. O man, ye me see I say report ben na committee ne de baye. Adwuma ben no mo ye. Etunim say ye ko such a situation mo a. Da bi o man say no entity first no. Ye ni ate pa. Omo ya aware. They know the problem, they know the challenge, they should fix it. And man in simwie. Now woman yana say won't take that, won't that a BC that and a BSC.
So yeah bon komoi. Anna all kind of make kaim who say and some see even the approach and solutions to it. Yaonoma Bibrameti go back into memory lane and draw our attention to it. Even with the money nano. Our politicians no on for the cameras in quantity my
cameras they be to say abambi was
optics no
abambi was no my can be favor near beka
yeah that's what they are doing that's the danger ahead of us with the politicians in here intricacy no we've seen through now all those intricacies no because what we need solutions to the challenges that we have over time.
Exactly. So, in fact, Ghanaians, we were not expecting that.
Okay, so my mention didn't make us say this game has been played for a long time. And when Shabisi,
the best performing regional minister of Ghana, Ayalindo Kulu, Miss Emra, Obia Mummy, and Saman Waya, dear, so as what to Fl00ding say. Or did Xavier Award because or you're the best regional minister of Ghana. After na muso be kita na ko so mujano so nim swimi
so ye kasa that's why sometimes ye kasa ebiriminya akukujo kasa why do we queue to go and vote? We will continue to queue to go and vote. I didn't say mo mam meto anwe anwu ye ni biem because said the abneka no And now friend and so we actually you share crano. If you do 11 a do back correct and you know na sadie we aboye koko. Sa koko boni mu ni bia me yakora o. Edipa dodo na omo body no e chinchim hihia
na court compensation po yen fama wom. Compensation. Ode ya woni yera sam say Fl00d eni kobo. Me say omo compensation yen fama wom.
Say uhu binim tebia enna.
Aban lawyer gina court to defend say eno no ya twerenchem enye obi mfom so.
Okay, so ene omunya kasa ne edidi enti enso ya kasa ne say eye momo mfom so nyoma na dodo na esi no woni bia oda Ghana no eye mfom so. One now the abedu some pempens so it me tese mo ka say eye me ene wo na de bia da make me ne wo de na obese eye se wo nhihye wo mbra assembly wo nhihye wo mbra aban ama Ghana nhihye ama to me say assembly bia no eni wo kwan se o ma obi si dan esi nsuo so eni wo kwan se o ma obi block nsuo eni wo kwan se o ma obi to bola egu hanze eni wo kwan se o ma obi esi eni sa ne o ma ne nyina wo ntimi fanya adwuma wo ba be ka chem se eye me ene wo no sa me ne wo ne fi ne ba
so ne yiri fire wi afa na obi na ye ase ye dwen ye ho ama ase ye tema no wo ho no ama o man ye wie ya ye de helicopter fa kroma regional minister ne nam nsuo mu ne ade yi o man na wo de release ten aba and am direct metropolitan DS ni na no say they should go to their communities. Go to which communities?
The last time I make us Environmental Protection Authority announces ban on polyester foam mattress effective 1st January 2027. EP4 Chokrata tin by January 2027. Nyoma one be ban any or my Chokrata tin and I asked a professor, say, Ade amuyi ediewu. Ade na ye gibra twa.
Ekosi 2027.
Even 2027 kwa enkontumpo. It cannot be effective.
Oh man, me say it should be now.
It cannot be effective. Be who kra ye ma poison. You see ye twa ma poison ye di amawa kopem. Ye 2027 January 1 because
ansan ye ja eno krampo do de dru hot ma bete ho asem.
Ya sa ma ho kwan se ade na pese esote no ana yifri ho no. Ya sa ma ho kwan se enkoso mbra o man ni ma kopem se 2027. Can you imagine? So we are not serving ourselves, so we are not serving the country, and I told you on my way no it's just a matter of serving interests, political interests, serving individual interests at the expense of the country. Apart from issue issue, full glare, you know, shitty. I didn't quite say, yeah, the man yourself apply when they apply. This one will be a shifty blame. Who takes that responsibility to say, it
is not your duty to tell us because at the end, just 2 years ago. Na enye papa I will realize ye ehunu say what engineering problem no man it is over a year again why they found and when him say no me ne Teddy na me che Kofi ewati ho me ne Teddy oye deputy director nadmu edi nkomo ekosi senso e na me bisa no say oh so omokra no mo hyase no mo ye demolition no na Ghana for bomb machi e mo backlash e no mo jaye na say na
this is a nadmu person
man na say na nsuo no aka obi ayira fo obi ane de so omokwa back so omokwa ko demolition na Ghana for better wo machi
yentiase
ena me bisa say na wo twense nsuo yiri fa yen
yentiase
ansa na beje atu.
Are you sure that's the response he gave you?
Man, that is what the response he gave me yesterday on Ekosi Senteni
nadmu
enti ne chese wajai sa wonye demolition ni biem ade won kasa wonim say eye de wo sa wo ye because na me bisa say enti ga ade na chese na wo san ko back ko demolition na Ghana for nkasa enti na you were waiting say nsuo nto na yiri fa ye nyina.
We are not truthful to ourselves. That's the challenge.
Hey, oh man,
we are not truthful. So one two was
fear some people.
We are not truthful to ourselves.
Oh man, so nipa.
A nipa de.
So nipa.
Apart from say catching children, nipa de so nipa da.
Oh man, me say.
Tutu amanyoni.
Afidie ni yina.
Yeah.
Opetumi na ne kasanko. Onye tumi ni wi a ne kasanko. Me so bia no be ka che me say onim ye problem e man so yiri fa yen. You don't need to sit in a helicopter to know.
We had this engineer is it Amon Kote for I think he's spoken on this matter for almost 20 years. Wabere say Otegan and Kwan say cry there me sure say obey willing to even comment about it because he's tired.
Sheni pay nkwara enra nkwara videos am hu ye mamua mienu videos chesensu no oh my goodness.
So that's the point until we get to a point where Ghana wants to be a senior. So I say Ghana wants to Obieka, Samara boy, and our secretary, and I garamsi. But the point is that Samara boy was secretary, say Garamsi, and Amandabasa, Garamsi, the Jana,
Yenya, Gusu Koso,
and the Brekum.
Yes, leg busumchi, and I'll pay a man who said, Brekum, a year reduce my post. What you know, Galamse,
leg busumchi. How? You are asking yourself, sir, why do we vote? We vote to get the situation worse or to get it better? We vote to get the situation worse or to get it better. And that's why I say, if indeed the NDC wants to reset the country, no, it's a total division. When you say reset, this can't be reset. A reset at the Biabe comprises women the Wahona or Mukrawadi or Mutimia reset Debbie. Debbie want to be reset, want to be an Agana for some. And only idea and a media say, or man, Miami who say Ebimu go back to Garrett. I bet say $200 million. I'm a bandano, and the same Musi and Fanya project. Or man, media say you want evidence to that effect. And you Kasakeo. And now somebody I could not quote to say, and Nipa Bakumi and Numi and Sawa committee. Yeah, this has to carry mom some Fanya Juma, a Jumano, or man to me, and yet Choma. So a court. No man see they should give us a break and fix the challenge. Because they are yet to any met you for air cano. And so the young child. It's so sad to say. So in Christian villager, there's a huge for the past 20 years I've been in Accra. You counting. And show be a ton of friend. And they quite a fair show no G if you would do tranet. It was one day the Abubia about choco now say now the Abubia about that's what we have been doing. And rather can't come. It one day grind na break the book and I pay from 7 to Tessano or man. Traffic jinemu no nya traffic to a ma 7 no obi a wona mokwa so a wo ba se wo dru pokuase na wo ba bi foforo bi a betumi awurade because pokuase no wotumi fo no ma ko wura kwa benya ne ade a timi besi dome ba se wo se wo di ma 7 dia traffic no eto mu sa bedru tesa no. I know you asking the question about police post on them depot on them no hwensu eta on them issue kitu bi top na why I problem. We'll be right back after.
Sa river odo no why nim baby a enam e won kan ha obi ani enim baby ansuo no nam ena yen nipa pese ya kire se yen nyansa che nyankopon a wode ni nyansa ebo asase na wode ensuansu adua mu nsuo ba akopɛ no man asutiri nan no ma sa enan bia adwuma sonko so onkonkoye ye ya dwene ye se yen nyansa che se nyame no enti odo na eda ho no a etenia de akobopum ejijinsu wanzu anketen na ka ho nyina esanso ono na ye baatan na wapi omu nyina akoguku mu epomu no ene ye de ye nipa nyansa na ye nipa nkyerase esi ne kwan ye de bola egum ye tunati egum ene ya block no ye susu se ye betimi aye amana ye ene nsuo no so abu afu yen ene eba yanko densu the same thing the entire nyankopon de densu no kokko dua ho no ewrade nenim nim nyankopon trimu asem na nyame di bedua ho se enye bibi mayen ene ye se yenim nyansa che nyankopon ti eno so yakosi dan yesi ena aka se ensuo nim finfini ankasa ye bekwa akosi pila na yesi na yesi ho na asa yesi yenim nyansa pa ye yade papa ene ye yer nkakran sa na tie mpatamu amotiti nya special news site ni nyina o ko ho no na nsuo da ho mebo aka kire me se nsuo da na nsuo na ho ba bia wo kwa na nsuo da ho no langas von ko twa nsuo na tifi ho ma wo no na ye wo fe na wo giye na wo fele ye but we fi se nsuo na firi ba bi na eba wo betimi asi nsuo kwan ne obe no noma akopem se adwuma nyankopon soma na se omeye no ebe ba be ye ma we fi se radio asem se Unyankopon no wasem inflation ma form da ensign konin nchen wa abra adwuma osoma no emewie yo enti nyame osoma nsuo no se omeye bibi mayen oh yɛmfa nyɛ irrigation na yɛnidi yɛnya aduane ni yɛmfa bi nyɛ fishes na yɛnya ɛnam nwe nyame na ɛsoma ne nyinaa yɛde galamsey yɛde bola ɛne yɛde adan apiti mmea nyinaa enti ne yɛhunu ne yɛhunu no ai